In this video, we will be comparing two of Corsair's most popular power supplies, the RM750x and the RM1000e. Both units are fully modular and come with 80+ gold certification, ensuring high efficiency and low noise operation. However, they cater to different needs based on their wattage and features. Let's dive into the details to see which one might be the best fit for your setup. The first major difference between the two power supplies is their wattage. The RM750x provides 750 watts of power, which is suitable for most mid-range gaming setups. On the other hand, the RM1000e offers a higher capacity of 1000 watts, making it ideal for high-end systems that require more power, especially those with multiple graphics cards or other power-hungry components. If you're planning to build a powerful gaming rig or workstation, the RM1000e will give you the headroom you need. When it comes to pricing, the RM750x is more budget-friendly at $139, making it a great value for those who need a reliable power supply without breaking the bank. In contrast, the RM1000e is priced at $179, which reflects its higher wattage and additional features like ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compliance. Depending on your budget and power requirements, you may find the RM750x to be the more economical choice, while the RM1000e justifies its price with enhanced capabilities. Both power supplies share some common features, such as being fully modular and 80+ gold certified, which ensures efficiency and ease of cable management. However, the RM1000e stands out with its advanced features, including ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 compliance, making it future-proof for upcoming hardware. Additionally, the RM1000e supports a higher temperature rating for its capacitors, which can lead to better performance under load. If you're looking for a power supply that can handle the latest technology, the RM1000e is the clear winner. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM750x and RM1000e are excellent power supplies, but they cater to different needs. The RM750x is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious users who still want quality and efficiency, while the RM1000e is perfect for those who require more power and advanced features. Be sure to consider your specific requirements before making a decision. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.